Welcome to Integrato's Quick Bytes series, where we cover Business Central and Microsoft 365 how-tos, tips and tricks, and new features in less than 5 minutes. I am Nolan Lim, a senior functional consultant here at Integrato, a direct Microsoft partner and cloud solutions provider. Welcome. Let's discuss how Business Central items are added to Shopify. Items are first set up in Business Central. For example, I have item 70070 men's wedding ring set up as on the item card. I have an item number, description. I have a type, which is inventory. I've I've set up an item category called rings, and as you can see, you can have multiple different types of item categories. I associated item attributes to the item category ring, so I'm able to put on item attributes. I'm also able to upload a photo of the actual items by importing it into Business Central. And then automatic extended text, I'm having this turned on. I'm going to add an extended text by going into related items, extended text. I've already created one called men gold ring, and I put in a message called timeless classic 14K 8 millimeter wedding ring. Extended text, pictures, and item attributes, I want these to flow to Shopify. Um, Once these items are set, go on and finish up completing the item card by selecting your costing type, your price. Once your item is set up, let's get out of the card. And now let's go to Shopify and let's look at the products. So the product list shows all the items that is in Business Central that is linked to a Shopify item. So this column item number shows the Business Central item number, and this ID is the Shopify product number. And this shows that the linkage between Business Central and Shopify. Okay. To add items from Business Central to Shopify, we are going to go to Process and we're going to go to Add Items. Okay. The first thing we're going to want to do is select the shop code. So I'm going to select the shop code, and sync images and inventory is turned on. I can turn these off if I want to. And in here, down in the filter section, I can actually choose the item that I want to filter on, or I can use an item category. Remember, on my item that I set up, I assigned the item category to that ring. So if I wanted to, I can sync products to Shopify by using item category. In this case, we'll just keep it simple. I'm just going to make sure that I want to do the product that I set up, 70, the wedding ring here. Okay. So once I have my shop code entered and the item selected or item category used, I will then click OK. So now it's complete. So now if I look at the product, I have product ID 70070, which was the men ring. And if I come over to the right, I can preview the URL. And here's the URL to the Shopify store. Here's the picture of the product that came in from the item card. Here's the timeless classic 14K 8 millimeter wedding ring, which was the extended text. And here's the item attributes that was also on the item card. So those three things that I highlighted when we were discussing the item card was able to flow to the Shopify store, and that is how items are added to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If you want to get more Business Central tips, how-tos, and updates on new features, hit the subscribe button. We are releasing videos weekly. For more information regarding Integrato or get training or support, please visit integratotech.com and check out the links below.